We're just about ready to get started. Welcome back. I've made a couple changes to how it works, but we're pretty much back to where we were. So it seems like the easiest way for me to do NVIM stuff is going to be through WSL for a little bit. So we now have Ubuntu running in the back end of WSL. We have NVIM installed. See, NVIM. We're going to be doing some configuration of it today, and we're going to learn how to use it. This isn't like a guide. This is me learning how to use it. So if you're hoping to learn, I might know the answer, but I'm trying to learn it, not so much teach. But I'll answer anything I know the answer to. So the first thing I want to do is configure lazy. Refer to configuration section. Okay, so I want to do what they have here where they're using multiple config files and kind of throwing them together. So this is all done in Lua, which I don't really know, but I can kind of read-ish because I can read other languages that are similar to it. So let's start with we're gonna have, actually, do we have a config folder here? We do. What's in config? Oh, document. Okay, so we got to make a directory for NVIM. And now we can make a new file. It's config.lazy. Or no, sorry, it's init.lua. That's what we're going to put in it though. So we're going to make dot config NVIM init.lua. And then we are going to NVIM that. Okay, so this one's pretty simple. It's just, we're just gonna insert here. Oh, I pushed a button before I hit insert. My bad. Require, oops. Big. Oh my goodness, I can't type today. Big.lazy. Save that. Oh, we will save that. Okay. And then now we need to make a lazy Lua. So this is where we're going to put the configuration for lazy. This is going to be, we're going to copy paste this and then read it, I believe. Whoa, what's happening here? Error detected while parsing this, blah, blah, blah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. We still got to make it. Okay, so I want to read this now. Or we can go right to the top here. So bootstrap. Vim function standard path data for that. Okay. This is all normal stuff that looks normal to me. Make sure map leader and map local leader. Set up map leader and map local leader before loading lazy vim so that the mappings are correct. Okay. Okay, we got that. You can create your plugin specs. What? Oh, okay. So that should be okay here then, I think, is what I'm seeing. So if I do that. Error detected. Miss a step. Health, or check health, lazy. No health check found for lazy plugin. Let's see. No field package. Config.lazy. Where is it supposed to find that? I don't. Yeah, it's only mentioned in that one spot. So like I get it. I can't find it either. Okay, so let's see. Getting started. Uh-huh. Oops. Right. Do this for right now. Really figure out what's going on here. So, let's see, what are we doing wrong here? Install the lazy Vim starter. How? Require config.lazy, which is this. Okay. So let's. Okay. When was this changed? Lazy NVIM install. Structured setup. Okay. This should be config.lazy. Oh, wait. No, there's another. Hold on. This isn't the right folder layout. So it should be NVIM. So, hold on. Okay. Lua config and then move lazy to here. Big NVIM Lua config and then okay, health check lazy. Is that what it was? Check health lazy. How do you use it for the first time? How do you like start it up? So we did that plugin spec. What if blah 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 blah? What if I don't want to give it anything? Examples. Lazy loading. Versioning. I have a thing I want to use. So let's back to here. Config. Okay, so under Lua, I need another one called plugins. So if we do a make dir for plugins, and then we're going to, we'll make a file here. We will make telescope dot Lua. Didn't we just make that? Oh, that's not a dot, that's why. And now we can come in here and we can just copy this straight from the actual library that it comes from. I don't know how to actually like It's been a long time since I set anything up for this. Okay, that has to oh. Okay. Look at another one. Okay. Is init.lua as this. Okay, is that what I have? Let's see. Let me open it again. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. I'm looking for the lazy Lua. We're gonna be in Lua config lazy Lua. Okay, so that's how we get to it from config.lazy based on the file structure under Lua. So config.lazy. not working yet. Okay, so let's add it back in. Oops. Require config.lazy. That's actually a good sign. Oh, look, lazy. It updated. Okay, so check health. Lazy. Okay, get, okay. No existing packages found. Packer compiled. Issues were reported. Okay, one sec. Okay. Yeah. We can double check what we did here. I don't know what we did, but we'll look. H. This is still getting to me. This one I get. This one. I think I need everything over here a bit more, that's all. Okay. Error NVIM lazy rocks. Fix your Lua rocks installation. What's Lua rocks? Lazy, what is Lua rocks? An official package manager. How do I get it? Is this just something I can apt install? Please apt. Install Lua rocks. Yeah. Okay, now we can go check that out. This is in big big NVIM Lua plugins telescope. What did I do wrong here? I mean, I'm sure I did, but I just want to get telescope. That's all I want. It's not even that hard. It just took me a while to get lazy working. Okay. Try this. Unexpected symbol. What's the unexpected symbol? Oh, not like that. Okay. I don't. Update. Think. Home. Log. Profile. Let me look at the plugin specs again. What did we do wrong? Well, let's... How do I close this? Like that. Okay. Holy shit, what's this? Okay, that's not a thing. I think this is wrong. I fully believe that. I don't know where to get the right thing to put here, though, is the problem. What is all this? I'm reading stuff on another screen. I know you guys can't see. Okay. Okay, so I did that. Yeah, I did all that. What is going on here? This was updated 3 weeks ago. It's build clean. I think, help version? Help. It actually isn't new enough. How do I update NVIM? Really? I think we're gonna have to snap instead. Hold on. Or no, sorry, it's NeoVim, not NVIM. Jeez. There. What? What did I look up earlier? It definitely... This revision of NVIM... Oh, wait. This revision of Snap classic confinements and thus may perform arbitrary system. You understand? Okay. That'll work. I'm guessing, yeah, there's no update button. Anything in here about update? News? Okay, we need homebrew, apparently. Oops. Okay, how do we get it? No, okay. Okay. Okay, that works. Then 0.11 brew. Cool. So brew has a newer version than the Ubuntu PPAs that I have. I don't know if it's all of them or just the ones I have. I don't know enough to really look into it. So I'm cool with this. We'll just do this and we'll get NVIM 12. No. Okay. Is it a different name? No.
I was able to defend my homeland. It's a familiar sensation. Oddly soothing.
Okay. What is this? This is a Dragon Ball Z song. Oh my god, this is great, wonderful. I guess then let's try.
Share your energy with me.
Get rid of that one and this one. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. Not what I wanted. I don't know how to like close those without like actually killing stuff. Okay, plugins dot telescope. I think I know why. We are going to edit our config for NVIM Lua plugins telescope. I'm wondering if maybe these just don't need to be here. No, it still doesn't like that, huh? Shove those back real quick. Reloading. Okay. What's lazy got to say about it? Sync? Check. Install, update, all the stuff? No? Or do I have to add? That it? Oh my god, that was it. I just had to add the word return. That's it. That's not what's on. I mean, it's on me, really. But what I had was a direct copy paste from the install instructions. You know what? Let's make an open source contribution today, guys. Let's fix that. We will git clone. We'll fork this. And then we will clone. Oops. I said clone, I didn't type it though. Do the lazy install example. Oh, this is the branch. We're not naming a branch that. Hold on. Yeah, yep. Check out Rufus readme updates.
Ouais, c'est le jeu. Alors c'est parti pour Lotus Challenge 2003.
We will do updating readme. Do that. Oh yeah. Git big. This is my public email address on my public GitHub. It's fine. I don't use it for anything other than this. It's just for this GitHub account. We'll push it later, but we have it. We can continue. I'll figure that out later. I had a weird time with Git and WLS or WSL with it. I don't know. My computer's in a weird state right now. It's a me thing. Now we have Telescope. So let's just NVIM. Jack Health Telescope. We need live grep or rip grep. Okay, we'll get rip grep. Sudo snap rip grep. Okay. But rip grep is installed. I just installed it. Hold on. Wait. That's not what I want. I want to look up riprap. RG. Hold on. I need to check something. Okay. And try brew. Okay. There we go. FD. Okay. Okay. This looks fine. I think these are for LSPs. Okay. So let's bring up the docks for telescope. So we do the install. Okay, so let's see if it's installed correctly, and we're going to run telescope. There we go. Bunch of stuff we can do. Find files. It's a bunch of files from where we are. You can go here. Now we are going to and telescope. Okay. I think that's okay. Leader FF. What's our leader right now? Let's bounce over to that file then. Make sure to set up map leader before loading lazy so that these mappings are correct. Then find leader. By default backslash. If someone well, I don't know what mine is. Mine doesn't appear to be set to anything. I need to see an example. Okay. What is this? In init.vim? What? Okay, let's see. Define a mapping in which to use G map leader variable. The string character leader can be used. Okay, I think this is where we're gonna go reference one that I know is set up correctly. Now I just gotta find it. leader. Oh, we can look that up here. I don't see it. Is there a spot where he just does his keys? Net. That remap is probably those. Map leader, there it is. Okay. So it is space. Okay. So that should be doing telescope, find file. Hold on, can I do that now? What if I do the... Huh. NVIM.G. It doesn't seem to work here. I don't think I want this here. I don't want that there at all. That looks fine. That's the, there we go. Okay, okay, here we go. This isn't so bad. This is what I need. Okay. Okay, so we are going to require keys dot telescope. Or no, wait. Require config dot keys, and then require keys dot telescope. Okay. Next, we are going to come here. Big new this is supposed to be keys.lua, or we'll save it with a name, but this is where I want to put my vim.g.map, my global map leader. For space. What else? We can probably just start there. And this was keys.lua. So now, there's no keys.lua in there. Where'd it go? Dot C and okay, so that's fine. WQ, close this down. There it is. So move keys Lua to big NVIM. Lua, or no, we're Lua config. Yeah, we're not done yet. That's fine. We want to that's config. We got keys. That's what we want. We can actually just do that, and then I kind of get lost in some of these tabs. I'm gonna have to get a better like file explorer. Right, so we want to make a new directory here. Edit file hiding cd d make a directory. Okay. Cool. So how do I... What? There. Okay. Here we want to make one called keys, and then in keys oh god, what was create? Oh, come on. Just want new file. New file. There is new directory. Where's new file? Setting the editing window, maybe? Yeah, okay. I want to get out of here. Edit. New. What? Go away. How do I... What the... Okay. Okay. I kind of get what's happening here now. Okay. So now we do new. No, we don't. We do edit telescope.lua. That was stupid. No, like, don't. Okay, did that work? Mm-hmm. Okay. And this is where we would go. Ooh, I'm still in input. Okay. Hey, let's see if that works. Oh, I spelled config wrong. Okay. Let's go rename that. Oh, but I went the shoot. There's got to be a better way than this. We're getting there. This is in here. Maybe I have to return? Again? We're learning. So like no, that should be fine without it. Oh, it's not built in. It's telescope. That's the problem, I think. Oh, I gotta do a require. This guy requires telescope. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Um, maybe? So this sets leader. This configures lazy. And then all these keys are going to have their own... It's like anything that has its own key bindings. So like if we go to that spot right here, go to config NVIM Lua keys, it's going to require its telescope. Oh, I think we have one of those, right? Yeah. Oh, this is what it was yelling about. We should get rid of this. I don't want this here like this. I want to make my own anyway. We don't require the config anymore. No, that's not what we want. So we want this, like this. And for now, this is all this has, but it might have more later. And now, if I go back to, I know what's wrong with that now. It's because of the change I made. Which file was it in? That was in... Not that one. Do this for right now. Um, this one. Oops. Nope. We want to delete word, insert built in. See, I don't really understand why there's. I guess I just don't know the. I just don't know the buttons. It's weird to me that there's any mouse support at all, though. Okay, so this never gets touched. The plugin one never gets touched. How do I get back to the start of a line? Just do that. Oh, what have I done? Okay. Expected equals near telescope. Okay. What's wrong with that? I'm gonna have to hold on. Oh, stop it. Maybe I just don't understand how that works. Okay. Hmm. We're so close to having it set up, yet so far away. We are deleting this config. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Oops. And that has, yeah, keys. Fire. I think we're just going to move this into config, and I've just done all of this backwards for no reason. That was stupid. Oh, telescope set up. Oh, we can just run it? Okay. Hold on, let's see what this does. Telescope. Dot. Or no, do I have to code it? Wait. Be run by users, right? I get it now. Okay. I need a, let's see, util. No. I need a better file explorer. This could work. There's a few of them, so we'll look at a couple. Oh, that might be the one I had before. That one's okay. Let's try this one. This one's called Neo Tree. I don't remember. I think we just did edit. Neo Tree. Lua. Nope, don't like where that's sitting. Edit. Config. NeoVim. Lua. No. Lua. Plugins. Neo Tree. Lua. No? We can do that from here. Big NVIM Lua plugin, and then we want to be neotree.lua. Look at that in a sec. It's the same one we had earlier. Okay. It's installed. Okay. So now we can do neotree. There we go. Okay, so I'm trying to learn the syntax here. Sources. So come back up here, we're going to run neotree file system. Reveal right. Oh. Left. Okay. And also give it a path, so I can go this. Is there really no way to go up a directory like from here? Yeah. So what I'm looking for now. Okay, so let's just we do home Rufus.config. There. This is what I needed. How do I get back to... I guess for now that'll do. For now I can just click, but I don't like it. Oh. That was kind of cool. So Neo tree. Float. Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. Help Neo tree. Leader B. What? Oh, does not define any. Okay. Yeah, leader B would be a good one. Reveal. Force reveal. Okay. So, the reason we're doing this is... Holy shit. Okay. The reason that we're doing this is that I want to actually get really good at Vim and get really fast at Vim. So if I can get good and quick at Vim, one sec, I'm also looking at something here. Yeah, my phone just went crazy. It went off like 10 times. So I want to get better at it. I'll show you guys later why I want to get better at it. I haven't decided if I want to share that yet. It's going to be great. I have a really good idea. So, let's not do this right now. Let's do help telescope first. Okay. So fuzzy find. Okay, so I can't do it in help. So when I'm in end, so can I just do leader FF? Like, should that be working right now? I guess let's try to fix that. Let's try to get something working here. Hold on. What? Oh, yeah, that's fine. Got nil. No, there's a way to do space. There is a way. It's not what I want. Neo tree. I want Neo tree from here. Oh. Lua telescope. That's fine. I gotta learn how to show the hidden vials. Let's look it up. Neo tree. Show hidden. H. There we go. Okay. NVIM map leader to space. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, see, let map leader semicolon. That's not the one I'm trying to do. Okay, so you have to add oops. Okay, this I might have just learned something here though, so save it, and then apparently I can do source this and it'll just let map leader. What? This is another thing I found. Let's see. What? Oh, I have to actually, I can't, I have to source a different one. I have to source this. What was wrong with that? Okay, so let's do these one at a time. So config keys maps that. And then config.lazy comes up and does a whole bunch of stuff. Probably put lazy at the top. So let's yank. We're gonna that and put you here. So lazy loads up because it's needed for all my plugins. And we're gonna move this, but keys here is gonna become a config file. It requires telescope built in, which is a plugin. And it sets leader FF to find files. I think that's correct. Let me double check. Built in. Okay, so it should be require telescope built in. Okay, I understand what was going on there now. So that's why it was okay. So I can go. Okay, I understand what was happening here now. Part of this is just learning Lua as well. Telescope, find files. Function require. So is this the issue then? Where is, I also had, I have too many things open. I don't need this, don't need this, don't need this. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Don't need this, okay. Okay, let's see. Leader. I find that absolutely crazy. This just seems to work for other people, but not me. And I don't know why. This one specifically, this here. This works for others, not me. Unless it does now, and I'm just lying. We'll just save that. Jump over here. Source that. Yeah, see? Oh no! Wait, does he have that bound in 2 places? I see. I see. Hold on. So, init Lua. Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to be done for today, but we'll make, where we'll end here is, we're gonna, just going to do, fix telescope, and actually we'll do fix telescope config. Get leader bound to space. Fix telescope. Fix Neo tree. Big. Primogen. Specifically for telescope, and then that'll be enough to do that. That telescope needs to return a table. That could be it. That could be it. My problem right now is I just have too many different things to learn at once, so I'm kind of like tunnel visioning on one thing. If I had like a manual that I knew I could trust, because I knew it was correct and I'd used it before, it wouldn't be so bad. But right now I don't really know where to go to find the right stuff to read. I'm kind of bouncing around. But that's all we're going to get to today. We're going to get better at Vim than we are right now. I'm not terrible at like just doing editing things. I can't do like crazy stuff. What I'm struggling with right now is I don't know the hotkeys to like jump back and forth in my chosen file tree. So like things like that, I don't know the hotkeys yet, but we're early on here. We'll get it figured out. We'll be back probably tomorrow with a bit more. We'll see. That's definitely going to be all for tonight though. I think 2.5 hours after working all day at a computer is good enough for me. But I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll be playing D&D on Wednesday. What else is going on? So tomorrow there'll be an Elden Ring randomizer for sure. Wednesday there should be D&D. Friday there should be another randomizer. I don't think there's no D&D this Sunday. But I'll be on randomly with random streams of stuff like this. And then eventually you guys will get to see why we're learning Vim. But you guys have a good rest of your night. I'll be back another day.